I'm at Earthcraft Skillshare and we're about to do an edible and medicinal plant walk. Come on, let's see what we find. We have plantain, of course, because we always have plantain. Here is the wide leaf plantain. And then we also have the narrow leaf plantain here. And then here's the seed pods of the two different plantains. There's one, there's the other. So there's your first aid cream or Neosporin. Here we have a chestnut in flower, so you could come here and get chestnuts in the fall. Make sure you're getting chestnuts and not horse chestnuts if you're looking for chestnuts. This is common mallow, another common lawn weed around the edges of your lawns, and this we used in the caveman spa in the eye compresses for dry and itchy eyes. White pine and the needles have a ton of uses. You can eat them, you can ferment them, you can do all kinds of things. And then there's also sap that we can do stuff with. And one thing we learned today is you can use that sap to make your hands sticky for bow drill. Red clover, which makes a good decoration on salads or cupcakes just because they're nice and sweet. Sorrel with his little sweet tarts on him there. We have a Queen Anne's lace, and we want to differentiate it from the toxic look similars because the Queen Anne's lace has fuzzy stems. The poison parsnip and the water hemlock do not have fuzzy stems. A dandelion who clearly does not know it's the middle of July. We have a shagbark hickory. The nuts aren't quite ready yet, but we could use the shags to make syrup if we want.
I did.
We've got a spice bush, which is a little shrub that has these green berries on it that are going to turn red, and we can use the berries, the bark, and the leaves as a seasoning. Black cap raspberries, which are always delicious. If it looks like a bramble, it's a bramble and it's edible. Redbud has very heart-shaped leaves, and when they're small and shiny like that, they're nice, edible, yummy things, and they taste a little bit lemony.
Yeah.
Basswood berries, they're green right now. You can roast them and make them into chocolate. This is also a really good tree for cordage and rope. Daylily, and we want to make sure that it's actually daylily, not a real lily. Daylily has grass-like leaves that do not grow on the flower stem. The flower stem is its own thing. This is a honeysuckle, also known as a nope berry. Nope, don't eat it. Chicory, the roots are used as a coffee substitute, but more than that, they absolutely make the most delicious pudding I have ever had in my life. Lamb's quarter or goosefoot are also called chenopodium, which is really good green. You can cook it, you can eat it raw, you can do anything you can do with spinach. Hostas, you can eat the leaves when they're young, and then now you can eat the flowers.